To claim deductions with H&R Block, start by gathering all necessary documents and information. This includes W-2 forms, 1099 forms, receipts for charitable donations, medical expenses, and any other relevant records. Next, create an account on the H&R Block website or open the H&R Block software. Follow the prompts to start a new return and enter your personal and financial information. The program will guide you through a series of questions to determine which deductions you are eligible for. As you work through the return, H&R Block will ask about specific expenses such as mortgage interest, property taxes, and medical expenses. Enter the relevant information and upload any supporting documents. The program will automatically calculate the deductions you are eligible for and apply them to your return. One key concept to understand is the difference between itemized deductions and the standard deduction. Itemized deductions allow you to claim specific expenses, while the standard deduction is a fixed amount that varies based on your filing status. H&R Block will help you determine which option is best for your situation. For example, if you have significant medical expenses or mortgage interest, itemizing your deductions may be the better choice. On the other hand, if you do not have many expenses to claim, the standard deduction may be the way to go. Best practices for claiming deductions with H&R Block include keeping accurate and detailed records of your expenses throughout the year. This will make it easier to enter the information into the program and ensure you are taking advantage of all eligible deductions. Additionally, be sure to review your return carefully before submitting it to ensure all information is accurate and complete. H&R Block also offers audit support and other resources to help you navigate the tax filing process. By following these steps and using H&R Block to claim deductions, you can maximize your refund and ensure you are taking advantage of all eligible tax savings. The program is designed to be user-friendly and guide you through the process, making it easy to claim deductions and file your taxes with confidence.